Okay. Yes, hang on a second. Okay, all right. So, before I announce them, medyo bibitinin ko muna kayo. But of course, we want to say thank you to TFC. So please watch this VTR.
Now, Red Sand Wave! Ang laki na! Sand sa Pinas? Wave! Kung sand, padala na yan! We're taking the risk. Wave! Pwedeng tumaas o bumaba.
Final na.
Congratulations! Kahit ano answer mo, panalo! Sa Sand Wave, panalo sa Sand, panalo sa Wave Fees! Download now! Sabay na itinataguyod ang sariling pangarap at pangarap ng iyong mga kapamilya. Kaya inspirasyon po namin kayo. Sa 30 taon ng TFC, hangarin naming magbigay ng ngiti sa bawat ginagawa naming programa at maipadamang saan ka man sa mundo, laging may tahanan ka dito.
Dito, dito ako! Dito!
Uy, mga bata, kain na, mamaya na yan.
Here, napakaswerte natin ngayon dito dahil we have 3 of Philippine music icons ang makakasama natin here on stage. Excited na ba kayo? Pero bago yan, bibitinin ko na naman kayo. At gusto kong malaman ang mga TFC subscribers. Are you here? TFC subscribers, isang malaking selebrasyon ang ipinagdiriwang ngayong taon dahil 30 years na po ang serbisyo ng TFC. Yan. Kaya naman magsama-sama tayong lahat at mag-celebrate ng 30 taong kwentuhan, tawanan, iyakan at walang humpay na kasiyahan. Sa lahat ng aming kapamilya, maraming salamat po. You are our happy place. And thank you for always making us home with you. And visit our booth, claim amazing prizes from TFC. If you are a TFC subscriber, may mga papremyo po tayo sa inyo. So, of course, this is brought to you by our sponsors, Sedwave and RLC Residences. At syempre, maraming salamat to our partners who made this event possible. Maraming salamat Kalayaan Filipino Cultural Organization, or KFCO, together with partner organizations, Kalayaan Cultural Center, KCCC, Fiesta Filipina Dance Troupe, Culture Philippines of Ontario, and Musica Children's Chorus. So make sure you're sharing your moments with us on your social media using hashtag TFC Happy Hour. Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Hashtag TFC Happy Hour. Ito na! Ay! Isang hiyawan na, ha? At wag na natin hello, Tita Baby. Wag na natin patagalin, Miss Asada! Handa na ba kayo? Alright! This is our TFC Hour, and we proudly bring to you the Philippine Concert Queen! And she's known for her incredible voice, her captivating stage presence. She has charmed audiences across the globe with her extraordinary talent. Ready na ba kayo, Miss Asada? po mainit, nandito tayo.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. Talking loud, not saying much. Criticize all your bullets ricochet. Shut me down, but I gave up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet. You take your aim. Fire away. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Come on. Put your hands together. You want to see good ball? You're like a laser light burning down. Come on, on me. You're like a laser light burning down on me. You make me feel good. You make me feel safe. You make me feel like I could live another day. You make me feel good. You make me feel safe. You know I wouldn't have it any other way. In a blink of an eye, I was falling from the sky. In a blur, you took my breath away. And my heart starts beating, and my lungs starts breathing, and the voice in my head starts breathing. I'm alive. You're like a laser light burning down on me. You're like a laser light burning down on me. You make me feel good. You make me feel safe. You make me feel like I could live another day. You make me feel good. You make me feel safe. You know I wouldn't have it any other way. Come on, everyone. I won't stop.
Mommy, I'll give you a job. I love you too.
I'm feeling sexy and free. Like rivers raining on me. You're like a shot of pure gold. I think I'm about to explode. Ooh. I can taste the tension like a cloud of smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing and I'm running 'cause I'm taking you there. Don't you know? You spin me out of control. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can't do this all night. Damn, this love is skin tight. Baby, come on. Look at me like a bass drum, sparking up a rhythm. Baby, come on. Rock my world into the sunlight. Make Love to make love to you, baby. Come on, guys. I can't behave, oh, I want you so much. Your lips taste like heaven, so why should I touch? And I love to make love to you, baby. Are you guys ready to dance? Come on, everyone. I want to see everybody's hands up. Come on. Mga kababayan. Who cares what they gonna say? Everybody. I wanna dance and love and dance again. I wanna dance and love and dance again. One more time. I wanna dance and love and dance again. I wanna dance and love and dance again. Let's dance! Maraming salamat po. Ano po yun? Okay, oh my gosh, that would be for the next show. But, kumusta po kayo? Alam ko po madami sa inyo kanina pa po nandito, and I know that it is quite hot. And guess what? It's gonna get hotter because, syempre po, mga kasama ko, hot. Diba? Do you guys agree? First of all, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo ngayon. Which part? Did you guys travel from far? Toronto. This ladies from Toronto. Kayo po. Sorry po, biniyak ko. Nagtanong pa, no? Saan po ang mga taga Vancouver? Over there. There's several over there. Yung iba po, lumapit kaya po kayo. Ang layo, sabi ko, saan po kayo galing na malayong lugar? Mississauga. Ang layo, miss. Napagod ba kayo? Naawa naman ako sa inyo. Ayan. But again, thank you so much. Of course, we're just warming up. You had great talents before us. We're gonna try to bring back, of course, a little bit of the Philippines through our songs. Is that okay? So, pwede po kayong matuwa. Alam niyo naman po pag kinakanta yung mga favorite songs natin, ano? Siyempre, it brings back either a lot of good memories or not so good memories. That's what songs do. The not so good memories only because we're very sentimental. Am I right? Pinoy sentimental, and we like emotional songs. So, we will bring back a lot of wonderful memories. And of course, the idea this afternoon, TFC is celebrating their 30th year. That's the reason why we're here. So, maraming salamat, TFC. Palakpakan nyo naman po. Dahil they really go out of their way to give you the best shows, the best talents, para lang po sa inyo yan. So, again, I am your warm-up girl. Mamayang konti po. Promise, sasayaw kayo? Are you sure? Yung mga nasa likod po, makikisayaw ba po kayo? Ay, hindi ko narinig. Sasayaw ba po tayo? Ayan. Why? Because we are here today just to have fun. So, are you guys ready to have fun with us? Yes. Okay. Now, this next song of mine, ito po, sana po alam nyo yung kanta. You know every single one of my songs? Wow! Wow, ang dami mong alam. And how old are you, Iha? Oh my God, that's why we're the same age! I'm 22, that's why. Oh, really? Oh, you also got Robin. Robin is now a dad. That's right. I am now a lolly. I'm a lollipops. Oh, okay.
Sabi niya, but your popsicles are still loyal until this day. Thank you so much. Thank you for being so excited. O yung energy mo hanggang dyan hanggang mamaya tayo eh. Okay, I will, what's your name, Iha? Karshay? Hershey. Oh, we're both candies. I'm a lollipop and you're a Hershey. Kaya pala fan ko siya, di ba? So this next song, Hershey, I want you to sing it as well as all of you, if you know it. Please do sing along. Ayan. Uy, alam nyo to? Today I heard our favorite song on the radio. I closed my eyes and saw our first hello. And then I saw the time we fell in love in each other's arms. I opened up my eyes and you were gone. Suddenly I realized how I loved you so, and how I can't survive without your love. 'Cause every time we say goodbye, it's hard for me to say how I wish you'd never go away. Everybody, don't say if you and I will always be in love forevermore. Don't leave me with just memories all alone. Hershey, makakaakyat ka ba? Makakaakyat ba si Hershey? Kaya ba? Ayan, ako kaya ang tumalon, ayan. Today I read your letters and waited for your call. I wondered if you think of me at all. Again the radio on and heard our favorite song. And then I knew you'd soon be coming home. Yung mga nandito naman, don't say mas malakas dito. Tomorrow seems so far away. Tapusin niyo na, ayan. In love forevermore. Don't leave me with just memories all alone. O ngayon po, lahat po tayo, okay? Sabay-sabay lang po, ayan. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know if you and I will always be in love forevermore. Don't leave me with just memories all alone. All alone. All alone. But don't say goodbye. No, 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 no. Don't say goodbye. Maraming salamat. Thank you and thank you. Palakpakan niyo po ang sarili niyo. Ang galing niyo po kumanta. Maraming salamat. Ngayon po, may isa pa po akong kanta na I'm proud to say this has been one of the top karaoke songs. Din pumupunta po ako sa karaoke, ito po yung parating nire-request sa akin. Eh napakahirap naman pong gawin dahil mag-isa lang po ako. Kailangan po na meron akong kaduet. Ngayon gusto ko malaman, sino sa audience natin ang gusto makipag-duet sa akin? Ha? Sino? Kailangan daw po lalaki. O ngayon, sino ang pinakagwapo sa audience? Yan ang criteria ha. Gwapo sa audience. Sir! Gwapo po kayo, sir. Subalit parang may nauna na po sa inyo. Hershey is up on stage. Come here, Hershey. Sabi ko, gwapo. Ano sabi ni Hershey? I'm bisexual. No, I'm not laughing about that. I'm just saying, you just want to sing with me, right? Thank you, Hershey, and thank you for your photo.
Yeah, I'm a really big fan. You know, you've really helped me when I first came here. I was really depressed, and your song "Don't Say Goodbye" really helped me a lot.
Oh, thank you. I'm really touched. It's nice to hear that we, and of course, through our songs, inspire a lot of people. Thank you, Hershey.
You're welcome po, Miss Pops.
Ayan. Alam mo ba, Hershey, I'm just 5 years older than you. Bakit kayo tumawa? Serious naman ako.
I'm a big fan. Also, I really like your character, Queen Femina from Zasha Sazurna.
Oh, wow. You watched that movie?
Yes,
Wow.
I even met Sasha.
Oh, you met Jaja.
I
Okay.
saw Sasha, and
Yes.
I saw your son.
Robin. Yes. Okay. Okay. Kinuwento na ni Hershey ang buong buhay niya. Ayan. I believe you, Hershey. I believe you. O sige, ganito na lang, Hershey. I will meet you later. Ay, ang gwapo. Ang gwapo na anak ko. Mana-mana sa akin.
Yes.
Wala kasi si Martin. Ayan.
Yeah.
So, Hershey.
But you're more superior than Martin. I'm sorry.
Martin. I love Hershey. I love her. Hershey, I shall meet you after this show.
Yes.
We're gonna have a photo together. Can I have a big hug, Hershey? Thank you so much, Hershey. Don't
It's really
cry.
an honor. It's really an honor.
No, don't cry. You're supposed to be happy.
I'm happy. It's just, tears of
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you, Hershey. Okay, can you go back to your place?
Alright.
Mamaya picture tayo, promise. O
Alright.
ngayon na kaya, asan na yung camera ni Hershey? Yan yung kasama mo. Ayan. Ayan. Dito tayo. Hershey, ganito na lang. Ayan. Mas maganda yan. Bibigyan ka nila. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, we'll do a couple more later. Thank you, Hershey. Do not lose your place there, ha? You might lose your place. Okay, okay na yun. Ayan. Manood po kayo nito, Sharon and Gabby. Ayan. Thank you. Pupunta ba sila? Panoorin niyo po yan. Fan rin ako, syempre. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin si Hershey. So, apparently, meron na pong nag-agree to sing a duet with me. Napakagwapo. Ito daw po ang pinakagwapo ngayon sa Mississauga. Please welcome Mark Delgado. Nasa si Mark. Mark, asan na yung gwapo? Asan na? Nahanap, gwapo talaga. Palakpakan naman po natin si Mark.
Sakto lang po, Miss Pops.
Ay,
Di
grabe
masyado.
naman. Grabe na silaw naman ako.
Hello, Mississauga!
Ayan. Mark, kumakanta ka ba talaga?
Konti-konti lang po.
Yung mga ganyan, yan yung mga magagaling. Sige, Mark, let's try this.
Yes, Miss Pops, an honor to do this with you po.
Thank you for singing with me.
Yes.
Okay, tingnan natin kung anong resulta. Tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling si Mark Delgado. Here it is.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang aking puso'y meron ng laman? Bakit ngayon
ngayon ka lang
dumating sa
dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan
Sarado ko
ang aking puso.
Ikaw ba
Ikaw ba
sa akin?
at siya ba
Ang limutin Nais kong malaman
nais malaman bakit ngayon lang dumating?
Ikaw sana aking iyakap Iyong kamay ang aking laging hawak At hindi kanya Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan sarado ko ang puso. Ikaw ba nararapat sa akin? At sabay limutin Nais kong malaman Bakit ngayon? Bakit ngayon? Dumating sa buhay ko Pilit binubuksan sarado ko ang puso. Ikaw ba nararapat sa akin? At sabay dapat kong nakalimutin Nais kong malaman Bakit ngayon? Nais kong malaman Bakit ngayon?
Mark Delgado. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you so much po, Miss Pop. Such an honor.
Thank you, maraming
so
salamat. Pwede bang pakis naman dyan? Pakis naman.
Isa lang po
Oo, natry kong pigilan ang sarili ko, Mark. Dito. Thank you, Mark. Palakpakan po natin.
Thank you,
Mark
Mark.
Delgado. Thank you for being so game. Ang galing talaga ng mga Pinoy kumanta, Talagang parang kilala na po tayo, hindi lang sa ating kagalingan sa sports, hindi lang sa ating kagandahan, kundi pati sa ating talento sa pagkanta at pagsayaw. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino. Do you guys agree? Isa pa po, ito po, lahat po halos ng kanta rin ito napaka-popular. Dahil lahat po ng kanta niya pang sing-along po. Mapasad, mapamasaya. And I'm very proud to say she's a good friend of mine. Please welcome none other than Joey Albert. Go, Joey.
Alright guys, thank you Pops. Say hello to Pops. Pops Fernandez. Hands up. Hands up everyone.
Pinatahan ko na ang kakaiba humana mundo, hindi mag-iiba pat mga
maraming salamat sa TFC for bringing us all together today. Palakpakan po natin ang TFC Kapamilya! Alam mo, dahil kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi tayo magtitipon-tipon ng ganito kalaki at ganito kasaya. And of course, maraming salamat din sa inyong lahat for always supporting TFC. Happy 30 years to TFC. Palakpakan natin ang TFC, guys. As for me, basta maligaya ako rin nandito ako umaawit para sa inyo. And Berna po. Di ba Berna? Ano ibig sabihin pag burn? Christmas! Christmas na! Okay, I'm gonna ask you to say something for me, okay? Sabihin niyo malakas. It's kumukuti-kutitap time. Pero hindi ko kakantahin. Kasi, but, ito yung kakantahin ko para sa inyo. Siyempre, pag Pasko, naiisip natin yung ating mga kamag-anak at mga ex-boyfriend and ex-girlfriend sa Pilipinas. And, meron mag-uuwi dito sa Pasko? Sino uwi sa Pasko? Ha? Konti lang. Wala pa masahe. Oo nga. O sige, kahit since hindi tayo lahat makauwi, ako rin hindi, sa Pasko, ganito na lang gawin natin. Kunin yung mga cellphone nyo ngayon. At mag-live kayo ngayon sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Dali! Mag-live kayo, dali! May pambayad pa ng cellphone. Mag-live kayo dahil itong susunod kong awit, ide-dedicate natin sa kanila dahil silang lahat ay a million miles away. Ready? Love to make you mine, 'cause it's the only way to hold you in my wild imagination. I still don't know how to grab a chance and spend some time in just a simple conversation. Give it a try, though I'm like chasing rainbows in the sky. I wanna hold you in my dreams and make believe that it's true. Though I know that it's impossible to do. 'Cause you're a star, and people love you as you are. You're a million miles Alam ko naman na itong susunod na song ang talagang makaka-bring back ng memories sa inyong lahat. So, okay guys, here it is for your mga minamahal na ex. Oh my goodness gracious. You know, this song is celebrating its 40th year anniversary this year. So come and sing with me. There are nights when I can't help but cry, and I wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you say that you would never leave me, tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I'll let it go with you. Goodbye. All right, guys, ready na ba kayo? It's your turn! Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I'll let it go with you. Oh my goodness. Really mga kapamilya, the power of music. Na maski na magkalayo tayo o maski na hindi tayo magkakilala, pagdating sa mga awiting Pilipino, lahat tayo'y magkapamilya at nagkakaisa. Let's give OPM a big round of applause, guys. At hindi lang yan. We don't only celebrate times together, but also friendships. And I have been very blessed in my career to have a few very good friends. So with all my heart and with all my love, I welcome back Miss Pops Fernandez.
I thank you. Yan. Alam mo,
Sino maingay dyan?
alam niyo ba po,
Sino maingay dyan?
yung susunod na kanta, alam ko, lalong-lalo na sa mga magkakaibigan na.
I know, somebody
Favorite-
TFC
favorite nila to.
Pag lasing daw sila, yun yung kinakanta nila.
Bakit kailangan lasing? Para merong courage to sing it.
Bakit kayo naglalasing?
Wala lang, masarap. Yun lang, happy sila. Happy or sad during
Happy or
kaya.
sad?
Ngayon po, sino po sa audience natin ang kasama ang kanilang BFF?
Best friend, best friend.
Best friends, mga best friends po kayo. Hands up po. Para sa mga kamay, mga best friends. Kasi alam mo ba,
Bakit yung daliri lang na hawak mo?
pawis na daw kasi. Kasi bihira lang po tayo makahanap ng kanta na pang best friends. Tama ba ako?
Ay, it's tayo lang. It's our song only.
It's our song. Na baka meron pa iba, hindi natin alam.
Wala.
At care natin. Ito lang po yun. And this, you know what, honestly, I really did not expect this to be such a favorite amongst our kababayans. Kasi when we recorded it, tayo rin all dance. Wala na kasi ako ka-holding hands. It's happened once again. It happens every now and then. Feeling the hurt and hating all the men, not all,
Kilala ko.
ready to stop it all. That's when I need a friendly face to see me through these lonely days. Just to put some sunshine in my place. Don't take too long, I need it. I haven't gone that far away, but since I am the kind of friend you know will stay with you through all the pain, never to leave you in the rain, ready to listen to what you've been through. You always and loose and share each other's points of view. We've been there once before and kept our points of view. It doesn't really matter if they're never quite the same. We have the rules in different ways. We play the games of different folks with different strokes and keep our points of view. See, the world seems bright again. It only darkens now and then. Well, most of the time it's just no telling when. Look up and see you've got me. We all may have gone our different ways, but since we are the kind of friends you know stay, no matter what the pain, learning to laugh back at the rain, ready to say we're here to stay in every way. Although we got our different points of view, we've been there once before and kept our points of view. It doesn't really matter if they're never quite the same. We have the rules in different ways. We play the games of different folks with different strokes and never really change our points of view. We've been there once before and kept our points of view. It doesn't really matter. They're never quite the same. We have the rules in different ways. We play the games of different folks with different strokes and keep our points of view. Joey Albert.
Miss Pops Fernandez.
Nakarelate po kayo?
So we
sa
have
kanta?
another friend.
Ayan.
Tawagin ba natin?
Tawagin natin kasi init na siya.
Kanina pa doon sa likod.
Init, pawis-pawis na siya sa likod. But she is also
But you know what?
very...
She's a friend of mine.
Oh, she's a friend of mine too.
And you know, my life wasn't as beautiful until I met her.
Oh,
Until I met her.
Till I met her.
Yeah, and you know, she should stop growing up. She should stop growing
She's
up.
too tall already,
Yes.
number one.
Ladies
Ayan.
and gentlemen,
Please welcome our hit maker, Odette Quesada!
come on everybody, put your hands up. Hold on, ito. Come on. Come on. Sinong bagets dyan? Ina. You should be old times and the best of new ones. Here's to a song of glee. Fighting our way from illusion to reality. You can sing along if you want to. Hoping to wake up from this madness. Hoping to see you smile. Pushing our way to the limit of yours and mine. Are you ready for this? I'm going up, getting down, putting my both feet on the ground. With all my friends behind me, how can I go wrong this time? I'm going up, getting down. Thank God reality came around. Not just waiting for the daybreak, expecting the sun to shine. It doesn't shine all the time. How are you doing, Mrs. Saga? Falling in love, falling apart. You think it's the end of the line. Pour your heart crying and then you feel just fine. If you're thinking that you're the only one, well, take a look around and you'll find I've been there where you are, I've been out and now I say, hey, 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 I'm going up, getting down, putting my both feet on the ground. With all my friends behind me, how can I go wrong this time? I want to hear you sing. Going up, getting down, thank God reality came around. Not just waiting for the daybreak, expecting the sun to shine. Woo! Come on, it's gonna come back again. Let's all sing. I'm going up, getting down, putting my both feet on the ground. With all my friends behind me, how can I go wrong this time? I'm going up, getting down, then my reality came around. Not just waiting for the daybreak, expecting the sun to shine. Doesn't shine all the time. I'm waiting for the sun to shine. It doesn't shine all the time. I'm going up. Thank you, Mrs. Saga. It's good to be back in Toronto. I was here last, when was I here last? March. Did some of you get to catch our show with Joey Albert before? Yes. Oh, really? Patingin yung ticket stub mo from last night. So, I came to Toronto to greet TFC. A happy 30th anniversary. How about a big hand for TFC? Connecting us to our home country, to the motherland, right? And I too am having an anniversary. Mas matanda lang ako sa TFC. Anniversary, almost 2 years now. So if it ever comes around to Toronto, please come and see me, okay? I will bring along with me Raymond Lochenko. Ngayon, nabuhay kayo bigla. Cutie pie pa rin, maputi lang po. Pero
Marcos Iso.
now, I was wondering if you guys know any of my songs. Alam mo naman binibigay ko lang. The keyboard is off, by the way. Can somebody turn off the keyboard? And I'm not getting anything from this side. There's no monitor.
Everything's wrong.
Sandali lang.
High school naman ako.
College ko na yun.
Grabe siya.
Hindi ako. Yes.
Meron lang ako.
Ay, it's okay.
Sorry, we're having some technical.
Kasi pag umupo naman ako, baka naman yan, nabali yung ano ko, yung likod ko. Eh,
Yan, lalo malalaman ni Odette itang gana.
ayan.
Kailangan.
Kasi ako yung nasa likod. Kanina pa kami
Just stop.
I have loved you always, but I know that there will come a time to feel the spirit I have inside. Your hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing each line. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Come on. Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is falling into tears when you pass by. Could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time. All the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorizing each lines, but here I am. Struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say? I don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears when you pass by. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time. Let's do it again. Every second of the day, my heart is floating in tears when you pass by. Goodbye. Every minute, every second of the day, in the most special way. Here beside me all the time. All the time. Very good, Mrs. Saga. You still know the song? Wala pa rin mga dementia. Very nice. Maybe this one you also know.
Babe, is this all we ever could be? Tell me things I've never known. Showed you love you never shown. Then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had. I listen very eagerly. Deep inside, you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, I'm glad. You are my life. You are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I've loved you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. Now I know friends are all we ever could be. Come on, sing it loud and clear. I showed you love you never shown. Then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love we had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, then again, I'm glad. So glad to be here, Mrs. Saga. Nice to meet all of you. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. I know it's been out in the sun, but it's getting cooler now. I'll see you after this song, because there's another song. Unless you don't want me here anymore. But this time I need like maybe some help from the audience. I heard there's a couple here that grew up to my music.
Sino kasama
I
mo?
really wish to God, bata pa sila. Let's give a big hand to the couple, Joseph and Christine. I'd like to meet Joseph and Christine. Are they here? Come on in. How about a big hand for Joseph and Christine? So who's Joseph and who's Christine? Well, nowadays, di ba si Joey, lalaking babae mo pala si Joey. Si Pops, pangalan ng lalaki din. Hi, Christine, Joseph. Oh, tell me a little bit something about yourself.
We just moved to Canada last year.
Last year na?
Yes, and we've been married for 20 years.
Wow, how old were you married? 12, 13?
26. So do the math.
Come closer. So, ano pong mapaglilingkod ko sa inyo?
Ano po? Fan po ako ninyo. Super fan. Super fan.
Super fan.
We've actually...
Yung mga bata pa sila, no? Sabi ko sa'yo, eh. The songs never die, and that's so good. And I know I owe it all to you, to all of you. Kasi you've kept the songs alive, and you guys still know the songs, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for allowing my songs to be part of your lives. Big hand to all of you. And ano po yun?
We've actually been to one of your performances.
You have?
Before the
sa
pandemic.
BGC.
BGC, oh
Yes.
my,
Just before the pandemic. I think
Right before the
February.
pandemic, yeah.
February 2020.
You were still in the Philippines then?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Kailangan ko ba i-refund? Hindi. Okay naman, di ba?
Sulit na sulit.
Nag-enjoy naman kayo, di ba?
Sulit na sulit.
Wala pa akong pang-abono pa naman.
Anyway, so which of my songs do you truly like? Fishing talaga eh. Ano bang favorite song mo that I wrote?
The one that you sang, it's Dito Lang Ako.
Oh,
That's my ultimate favorite of all your songs.
unang-una, dito lang ang title nun, walang ako. Sorry! But that's okay.
Yeah.
That's a song I wrote with my my late husband. Okay. Eh ikaw, agree ka na lang sa kanya kasi siyang boss, di ba? Dito lang din ang favorite song mo.
Hindi naman alam yun.
Eh kung alam ko lang na yun, di sana yun ang kinanta natin ngayon. But do you know this song?
Yes, definitely.
Maybe they don't know the song. Let's see if they still know the song. So let me start it off,
Okay.
and then you guys jump in. Jump in. You wanna come? A little forward. I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. How about you, Christine?
And I could swear love is just a game that children play and no more than a game.
Everybody.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
I believe you.
I believe in every word when you
Say, I love you all the way. Mga lalaki talaga, kailangan ituro mo lahat eh.
Now I can swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me
Sige na,
that
tuloy na.
you stay.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
You and I should be together.
Can't you see? Can't you see? Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Till I met you.
Till I met you. Big hand for Christine and what's your name again? Joseph. I was gonna say Joey. Joseph and Christine, thank you for joining me here. Now I think it's time to call back my other friend, who's also Joey. Come on, Joey. Big hand for Joey Albert. Joey and I had a tour last March.
Sino si
April.
Chu?
Huh?
Sino si Chu?
Sino Chu?
Till I met you.
Ang Chinese boyfriend ko dati. Till I met you.
You know, I'm so happy to be here with Pops and Odette because this is a reunion of my two favorite colleagues that I produced on tour here in Canada.
Yes.
So happy. Thank you.
And if we ever have another tour, please come and join us, okay? Meron ako sa October 11, kaya lang sa Hawaii.
Ay, pamasahe ko.
Libre yung ticket, pero yung pamasahe sa Hawaii hindi libre. And then,
You know,
after
when we
that-
did
yeah.
a show to... Oh, meron ka pa?
Meron pa eh.
Aba!
Tapos,
Lakas ng racket,
if
ah.
you have friends in New Jersey, I'll be in New Jersey on October 18. And then October 20, I'll be in Chicago. And then October 25, Houston, Texas. So if you have family and friends, let them know we're coming there for my 40th anniversary concert with Raymond Lochenko, Jaya, and Pelson.
Ako naman, I'm gonna guess with Pops' 40th. I had my 40th in 2021. Unfortunately, it was COVID, so I did mine online. I don't know if any of you got to watch Life Begins at 40, but it's still online if you want to watch it. But now that Pops is doing her 40th, I'm very honored to be a guest for her in San Diego on October 11 and Las Vegas on October 26. Always, Pops is going to be there for those two. So kung kamag-anak kayo doon, tell them to watch.
Always loved.
Always loved. Nga pala.
So, lagi naman
Kasi
siya si
ako,
Pops eh.
kasi
Pero
ako
always loved.
sa barko na lang ako nag-show ngayon. Eh. Oo nga, I just finished my first Filipino OPM artist concert on the Ruby Princess.
Biro mo, natapos
Sino
yung
mahilig
show.
sa cruise?
Yan, yung mga Katoliko, mahilig mag-cruise.
Sign of the cruise yan. Well, next year, mauulit po, Seattle, Alaska, Seattle, with Joey Albert doing the concert on board. So, abangan po ninyo. Alam mo, tayo, swerte na lang tayo that we still have them to appreciate our songs. So, guys,
Kaya wag na wag kayong mamamatay ha.
oh, thank you kami Kung hindi, wala nang makikinig sa amin.
Turo niyo yung mga kanta sa mga anak niyo.
Nobody's going to remember our songs.
I don't think so.
Oh, speaking of remember, meron kaming remember medley.
Okay, ganda ng segue.
O, diba? Okay, if you
And here it is.
remember these songs, please sing with us. One song from Odette and one song from me.
We'll stay forever.
Ready? Today I can play the song again. An old familiar strain from way back when. Every note, every line, it's always been a favorite song of mine. Like a sad song long been written, I remember you and like the raindrops slowly dampen my cheek. When I cry, I remember you. I remember it used to haunt me so some years ago. Reminds me of a boy I used to know. And although the melody lives on, the memories in the boy are all but gone. So while the song still brings that certain glow, and the words still sing of love, I know it isn't quite the way it was before. I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feeling anymore. Like a thunder, my heart beats faster whenever I see you smile. I remember like I start calling your name in the middle of the night. When I remember you, I remember you. Though it's been so long.
like a story without an ending. My life seems to be that way. I remember like a love song worth remembering. I know you'd always stay, 'cause I remember you. I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feeling. I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feeling. Miss Joey Albert,
Miss Odette Quesada,
Mrs. Agua,
Mrs. Agua, and Miss Pop Fernandez.
I thank you. Ready na ba po kayong sumayaw?
kami hindi.
Sasayawin kita. Sige ka. I can't hear you. Are you guys ready to dance with me? Are you sure now? Do you sure now? Then let's take it away. Come on. Malalaman po natin kung sino yung magkakaedad. Put out the door. I am not a toy. Shoot your rocket out of space. Blast me to the boy. I don't need help. Time to move my feet. Come on, everyone. Let's our heart and resurrect. Everything must move ahead. Come on, baby, it's okay. Kick it like a major rat. Oh, she beat it, knocks them off my feet. She goes, oh, she beat it, knocks them off my feet. Street beat. She goes walking down the street. Street beat. She just knocks them off my feet. Street beat. She goes walking out the door. Street beat. She don't want him anymore. Oh, come on. Street beat. She goes walking down the street. Street beat. She just knocks him on my feet. Street beat. She goes walking out the door. Street beat. She don't want him anymore. Come on, everyone. Itaas po ang kamay. Isang kamay, wagay-wag. Yung mga nasa likod, alam niyo po itong sayaw na to. Malalaman natin kung sino ang kaedad ko, okay? Itaas lang po yung mga nasa likod. Ayan. Feel with the music back to life. Too much chances make my heart go frantic. Wanna tell you what's been going on. Operator got me transatlantic. Sit alone as the night goes by. Stare at the phone and wait for your reply. Everybody. Long, long distance never fails. Oh, come on. I can't find you anywhere. Whoa, I call you on the telephone, but you never call me back. Long, long distance never fails. Oh, I can't find you anywhere. Whoa, I call you on the telephone, but you never call me back. To the right, come on, guys. It's party time. Yung mga nasa side, kasali rin po kayo. Ayan. There are times when I let go of you, be like one. When I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. What I feel when I don't belong, draw the strength of the words say, hey, it's about you, babe. The deeper inside me, baby. Come on, guys. Everybody, I want to see your hands up. Wow, it's together again, baby. I know we'll be together again, 'cause everywhere I go, every sign I sure. Ayan. No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside, and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all that's said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Everybody, do you believe in love after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think it's strong enough. No. Do you believe in love after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think it's strong enough. When I know that I can face, 'cause I know that I am strong. Well, I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. Well, I don't need you anymore. Come on, everyone. Are you guys ready to jump? Kaya pa ba? Come on, everyone. Tell me how you want me. I can feel it in your heartbeat. I know you like it, what you see. Oh, me. Give me more than you need. Love you, love, love me. I'm so excited, I can feel it getting hotter. Oh, baby, I'll take you down, I'll take you down. When all has ever gone before. And if you want more, you want more. Everybody shout. You know what it takes, my kisses in the night. Down for my love. I know my heart can make you happy. I know these arms will lift you up. Yeah, what it takes, my kisses in the night. Down for my love. I know my heart can make you happy. You know these arms can give you up. Yeah, what it takes, my kisses in the night. Down for my love. Salamat mga kapamilya at mga kababayan. Nag-enjoy ba po kayo? Thank you so much for singing with us, dancing with us, listening to us, and just having fun with us. I would like to call back the two lovely girls. Salamat po, of course, Odette Quesada, Joey Albert. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagdayo nyo ngayong hapon dahil napakadaming nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Okay ka, ah?
Oo,
Okay
bakit?
ka lang? May jet lag pa yan, mga kaibigan, ha? Palakpakan natin si Pops
She actually just flew in from
May jet
Manila
lag pa
last
yan!
night.
Live. Siyempre, may energy.
Sobrang galing!
Dahil masaya sila.
Kaya
That's what
talaga
keeps
kasi,
us going, di ba?
you know, I'm just so happy the three of us finally are sharing the same stage all together. You know, we have been together for 40 years, but I
We
think it's
never
the first
got
time
the chance
Yeah,
to actually.
I know.
Kayo before, but ako hindi nyo.
And you know, just to show you, we really all know each other very well. Okay, okay, arrange according to height.
Ako yun. Ako na panalo doon.
Parang dito lang kami, okay.
Okay, according to age.
O de, si Pops na, bida dyan.
Ayan.
Ako pa rin ang nandito.
Oo, tsaka lang.
Diyan ka lang.
Pati ako gumagalaw. According to beauty.
Pati,
Ayaw kumain. Sandali.
di na bale, ano lang, ako na lang sa class.
Ayaw sa class. And demure.
According to demure.
Demure.
Sino
Ano ba yan?
pinaka-demure?
TikTok-ish? TikTok?
Sino pinaka-demure?
Yes. Odette Demure Dasi Quesada. Llewellyn.
So hindi niyo pa po masyadong kakilala si Odette?
You don't know Odette.
Yun lang pala yun. Magpakilala ka nga.
Teka, ba't
Tama
may
na,
nakalimutan?
naloko na si Babayaran.
Sandali!
Ano? Hindi siya.
Ano to, yung kay Pepe Pimentel?
Alam mo ba, high-tech na ngayon?
Kilala mo si
Did you
Pepe?
say Pepe Pimentel?
Yeah, kasi ginanon mo eh.
Kilala ba niyo si Pepe Pimentel?
Ang tatanda na nila eh, syempre kilala nila.
Hindi kaya.
Di kaya. Kasi
names.
nag-jump pa sila sa jump.
Oo. At ito, may powers pa sila mag-jump, ha?
Oh, may paramedics naman dyan.
Hindi, nag-enjoy lang po tayo. Again,
Para tayong Titubig and Joey. Joey De Leon.
Joey De Leon. Sino ka?
Ako si Vic.
Oh, I guess Tito Soto. Okay lang.
diba?
Senator ako.
Ninong mo yun, di ba?
Ninong ko yun. Love ko yun. Happy 30th again, TFC.
TFC!
Maraming salamat.
TFC! TFC! TFC!
Sa ito pa. Oh, ayan. Thank you for bringing us here in Mississauga. At alam ko po kung saan parting lugar ng Canada po kayo galing. We super appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for celebrating with us. Gusto niyo ba po nga maulit-uli ito? Yes! Ayang hina, hindi narinig ng TFC.
Mag-petition kayo kami ulit, ha?
Gusto niyo ba po maulit-uli ito?
Pero kami tatlo lang, ha?
Pinilit na naman yung sarili. Pinilit namin yung sarili namin.
Kaya tatlo eh, kasi kita 10 years tayo.
Ayun.
10 years, 10 years, 10 years, 30 years ang
10,
TFC.
10, 10.
Pero tayo,
Excuse
careers
me?
natin nasa 40.
Excuse me, the mathematics is wrong. Bakit na tayo naging 10-inch?
Eh kasi
Kasi
30
30
years of TFC. Dinivide-divide ko lang.
Magaling siya sa math. Nagmamalaki siya na magaling siya sa division. I just like multiplication.
I just like addition.
I like subtraction sometimes.
Gusto pa ba ninyo kumanta? Yes! Sumaya?
Right.
Alright.
Yes,
Oh, sige, kayo na.
Pakigiling nga, guys.
Kaya pa?
Come on, guys.
Ayan. Okay na. Turo po talaga yan. Ayan.
Again, maraming
salamat po. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Okay guys, sunod lang kayo sa akin.
Talaga.
Susunod lang
singer
kami.
na kami.
Hindi nga tayo ang mukhang backup singer ni Pops eh.
Hindi naman, nakabra ka naman.
Mukha akong backup dancer nito.
Backup dancer. Gusto kailangan mo?
So dapat sumayaw ka.
Hip-hop.
Call me on the
Break
telephone.
dance.
Sige nga,
Break
gagaling mo.
dance.
Call me on the telephone.
Ako nag-invento ng dance step na yun.
Okay guys, ready? Just follow me guys.
Sure.
May banat pala to.
Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay huwag na kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang
isasayo ko